the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh.
Hi everyone, so I just want to show you my progress so far. Yesterday my mom actually painted all of the white of the room. So there was like a bunch of like chipping, and all of that is now very clean. I haven't touched the closet yet, that's going to be probably last. But yeah, this is a little bit of an update. I'm gonna get a chandelier for my room, and right now I'm just gonna work on this little bookcase. So my plan is to paint it white and then do like a marble backsplash. So that's the plan.
I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
So I just want to give a little bit of an update on the bookshelf. So I painted this bookshelf like God knows how many times. I believe it's been 5 times, and some of these sections haven't been, but this top part is definitely 5 times. I'm gonna paint over it one more time, and I think it should be good. The bottom the bottom of the shelf isn't looking too good. But yeah, I'm gonna paint it over one more time, let it dry, and then put the contact paper on the backs, and I think it should be good to go. But yeah.
You everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
So I said that I was going to, I push my bangs back. I said that I was going to wait to do the closet last, but I actually emptied it out, and I was like, you know what, might as well just do it now when nothing's here, so I could start filling it with like arts and crafts supplies and stuff like that. So I wanted to like touch up this bar, touch up like some of the spaces over here. There's like markings. So it should be like a quick little project, but that's what's happening.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on
this is my chandelier. I have to put it together, so that's my plan for today. I can't install it just yet, but soon. And then my contact paper. So excited. So first things first, I want to show you guys the chandelier. So I didn't show you guys yesterday when I put it all together, but this is it. It's so pretty. And like I'm planning on putting it where the light is right now. Taking down that like ugly ceiling fan. So yeah, that is the plan. I think that's gonna happen Friday. It's so cute. But yeah, so this was like $29.99 on Amazon. And then I also got this contact paper, and I'm planning on putting it on the backsplash of this bookshelf. So that is what I'm gonna do right now. I just got the measurements. So I'm gonna cut them out, and then I'm going to stick them right onto the backs of the shelf.
Above it. I know you love oldies, so I wrote you this song. I hope that you keep it, cause I won't stay too long. But we had a certain energy other people never seen. I mean, and they called it puppy love. Just because we're 17. Tell them all it. Tell them isn't fair to take away my only dream. And they called it puppy love. Puppy love, I must admit that's cute. Not quite as cute as you. You a 5-star recruit. Let's see.
So this is the final product. What the fuck was that? So I'm literally so happy that I thought to do this. Like, this is so cute. And so far I have like my candle that my best friend made me. I don't know if she made me or bought it for me, but it says if you can dream it, you can do it. And I'm just gonna like put a bunch of things on the shelf. I'm so excited. But yeah, the room is definitely coming along. I put my heels up here. I think I'm gonna put like, this will be like an arts and crafts kind of a closet. I don't think I'm gonna paint that. Maybe one day, not today. But yeah, so then this is gonna go here. I want a chair right here, a hanging chair, and a table over here so I can do my makeup. I am so excited. So this is all my arts and crafts supplies, so I'm gonna like put it all somewhere, and then this is gonna go in there. Everything's kind of coming along, guys. Yay!
And they called it puppy love.